Hello everyone. Okay. Asa ka?
How do I miss?
Wala lagi lag.
Help. Help.
No.
Please.
Dude, I'm in the spawn island.
What is your block?
Oh, I just created a ghost block.
Huh?
I just created the ghost block.
How?
Amot, pag na ako, natoy ghost block na ako.
How does one ghost block? Di man sige na pwede sa kon?
Pwede
Pwede
eh?
na sa bedrock?
Yeah.
Ito, kusuway.
Ano ba ka?
Yung kumunson.
You're not like me.
I don't know how to use
You're not
it.
like this guy. Oh yeah.
Ano ba ka mga magamit ng gridstone? Eh?
Kabaw. Kabaw bitaw.
Ano,
I
fake.
think.
Fake.
Oh, that didn't work.
Oh, you did.
What the heck?
You're dead again.
What's happening?
How are you dying? Oh, it's raining.
Oh.
It's raining. Holy shit.
I hate this class so much.
Such a downgrade, bro. Too much is not
No.
It's just because you're bad, bro.
It's
Bad
lapis.
cause bad. Oh,
Sure ba?
using your quotes against you.
Yeah. I'm Philosopher Ziki. And I choose lapis.
Lapis. I have found lapis.
To find diamonds, you must
Oh,
find
lapis. I
lapis
found
first.
it. Ito, lapis ay.
You must find lapis to find diamonds first.
I literally found lapis.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Asa di ka?
Nagmine ako ni.
Wala, di ka sa akin village.
Wala.
Ano man?
Di mo ko ka doon na may rain.
Oo, day. Ah. Big pieces it. Oh, kalayo din mo eh.
Nagay ko spawn.
Diba, ako nagtungal. Inga na, di kalayo ang spawn.
Yeah, because
I'm dead.
you must expect the unexpected.
Bro, I died. Oh my god.
Hello, loser.
Or magkuhan tabigi. Dungan tang duha. Isa.
Pagkamatay, ato balik spawn.
Asa kong kuhan. It's easy to die. But it's hard to live. Oh! Amat lang eh.
It's easy to die, but it's hard to live.
How did I survive? Bro! Nataga ko dito din. Nabuhi pa ko. Nataga ko din eh.
Slime man ka.
Bro, I still take full damage. Oh.
You don't.
I did.
That was a glitch.
Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Dito mo akong bed. Which one is my bed?
I don't know.
Ah, nako. Bag daw?
Okay,
Bro,
coconut.
baga?
Yo, you can throw coconut. Wow, nidutan eh.
Oh! I'll use this creeper. Oh, I'll use the creeper to get 4. It's too to mine.
Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this so much.
Oh, shit. I need to find the trial, bro.
Atong goal for this video is to find lapis.
I already found the piece, but I died.
We need proof of lapis. I'm gonna die.
Oh, shit. May creeper. Ingat ako. Oh, cave. Okay, cave. Ano
Gotcha.
naman? Ano ko cave. Oh, it's a coconut. It's a cracked coconut.
That's mine.
Oh, a seagull.
Huh?
Die. It's the seagull.
Ika-violent ni mo eh. It's...
How much damage is this? Oh, it's one shot. Oh,
It does lapis. It's a one shot ba?
ang coconut. Dako kay damage.
That's it. Okay, I'm gonna die in this.
How are you gonna... Oh my god. Asa ka? Here.
I'm collecting coconuts. Oh, ayaw ba? Half-Life na ba ko? Half-Life 2.
Half-Life. Nasa ni mo siguro ngawat ni sila. Bro, how are you still not dead?
Because that's what pros do. I could hit last life na ko.
Kailangan ko magpagamay the health. I need like half health. I need half health, please. Please guys. Put me to half health. Half health. Half health. Bro!
Did you hear that?
Okay. One hit, one more hit. Oh my god, this guy is a fucking dumbass.
Boy, no swearing, no swearing.
Hit me! Hit me! Oh, you baby zombie. Kinada ko kinag-damage.
Loser.
Yazik, anizik. Na-normal nga ba yun?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, wala na baby zombie. Bro, how are you still alive?
Ooh, it's Lapis. I'm finding Lapis.
I'm so bad. I'm actually so bad.
Yeah, because you didn't find Lapis. You need to find Lapis. Yeah, to find diamonds, you must find Lapis first.
Nakita ang maglapis. Nakita na ako diamonds. Di ko ma-heal. Dapat ma-damage ko. You hit me one time with your hand. One more. One more. One more. Oh, yo. I felt. Okay, good na kaya makawanit ako.
Why it is so much? Why does it have to rain?
I'm just chilling, bro. I'm being chilling. Where are you?
What's the heck? Wala gini mga leaves ang uban.
Oh, shit. Ako kay cave. Zeke. Here.
What's that?
Oh. Yo, na yung apple. Just hang. Please na mga buhay pa ka.
Please food.
Wala kay food.
Find me food.
Alright. Because you're so
Bro,
unreliable, bro.
It's your fault. It's your fault because you do not protect me. The kuha, oy. Look at this guy, bro. It's big.
Like you.
Yeah, I'm big. I'm strong and big.
Oh, it's Black Bear.
Naday. Oy, lay down, oy, lay down.
I'm supposed to lay down.
And then you don't have survival skills.
That's Brown Bear kung malay down ka.
No, it's not. It's black. You're racist. Give me food. I don't have food. I'm gonna die. I got
I
3
literally
hearts.
do not have food.
It's lapis. Mait ni.
Kasi makuha na ko. Ano dugay ka niya siya? Oh, all I got was one single fish. Alright.
Yeah, because you don't find lapis.
Die, ikaw. Oh. Thank you. Free food. Alright.
Lance.
Napaka-food. Buhay pa
Kasi
ka?
Slenderman.
Are you still alive?
Yeah.
Apin ako kay food.
Bring me food. Okay, mamatay ako. Oh, cow.
Mas pasan eh, ay! Oh, wala dito yung food.
I'm gonna die.
Dumbass.
Oh my god. Bro, can you off this? I'm getting mad. What's that? Ooh.
Non-fiction. Ban origins. What if ako ibanin mo ha?
No! Iban daw.
Reset all. Yo, reset
Oh
all!
my God.
Reset all!
Ay,
Fucking
ibalik.
idiot! Fucking idiot!
Ibalik.
Ikot sa pagpiksa. Oh, I'm so good.
Okay.
Random lang gyapon pero lahi na. Mag-random ko eh. Inchling, fuck no. Magbalik ko.
Oh my god. It's not so funny. Bro, you're gonna die if you saw a donkey eat a fig.
Wow. O kasabot sa kuan slime, dude.
What should I? Oh my god. I'm not gonna... Namatay ko.
Aha. No. Oh. Freezing damage. But weak to fire and sunlight. You also don't have to breathe underwater. Oh no.
Ba?
Still in the random. Yo, Fox! I mean, pretty good. I'm so fast. Is it? I'm the flash boy. Dapat dikit plus damage. Beep. Be.
Small cake ko.
Fast kick ko. I'm so fast. Let's go.
I'm just a baby. Look.
Ano sa'yo mo? Ano sa ka?
Kuan ko tong small ba?
Inchling?
Oh yeah.
Asa ka? Last spawn?
You know, I mean kuan. Nag-hide ako ni.
For you, bro. Ano sa'yo chords din?
Negative 34 o 100.
Oh, fast kick ko.
Isa tayo sa mga. Insiling na.
Fox.
Fox. Gamay lang yung fox. Huwag na yung ability ba? This sucks.
I mean, nindot niya with spear ako. Ano tayo mga
Oh my
chords?
God.
Oh, wait. Nawanan ako ba? There's a flying chicken. Seagull na day.
Ah, how did he hit me? What the heck?
Are you, bro? I'm here.
Bro,
I see you.
This zombie is so obsessed with me.
I need spear.
Man, it's your obsession. No. Why? Another
Come here.
instance. Why?
Ano zombie.
Oh God! Ako, gamay na ko eh. What the heck?
Mama. Agay. Bro. Skeleton is rigged. Agay. Bro, I rolled it.
Ano siya?
Pila mo help.
I forgot.
Ano to?
What?
Oh, shit.
Ano siya to?
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Ano siya to? Go.
Ability.
I
Let's
made
go.
a portal.
Let's go.
What's that? Nakalaman ko. What was it? You my origin.
Isa ako asad. Akong ikon akong magkamuflage.
Yeah, did I ko ma-full damage ko sa pro.
Ako lang ako damit ko.
Lol, noob. What's this? Ho-ho. Ayun.
Oh, dali ko makan. Oh, wait, actually, dali ko full damage.
Paksong ka.
Dali lang ko gutomon.
Ako makakonsume ko sugar. I just need sugar cane. O, lagi monster.
Ah!
Panmilans.
Oh, uy, baby zombie.
Panmilans. Asa ka?
Eh, the creeper. What the fuck? Bro, horror game. Mama,
Sali ka?
magic. Okay. We've... Oh, shit.
Ah, lol. Na-blow up.
Wala bitaw may food. Ta, ano ta, Steve?
Where?
Mangita tag village.
Ah,
Yeah, ang village, kinara con. Let's go, let's find the village.
I said I don't have food. May sugar cane.
Yo, I need spear. Tesa. Oh, picking you with spear.
Ako athlete ko.
Oh. Awa, kani ba? Yung mga sagla nag-spear din. Soul speed nga kon.
Wow.
Glitch sa soul speed. Ano saan fast? Where is the creeper?
Damn, awa.
Ito saan naman?
Awa ko sa bigo. Asa ka? Sa chords.
Bro, tanawa ang bar.
Dili ko. Small lagi ko. Oh my god, ka-small na ko.
Inch, gani. Mas big pa ko ni mga fox na gani ko. Holy shit, kadagan. Yo, creeper. Help.
I will help you. I will help you.
Bro. One hit lang ko.
Oh my bad.
Oh, blood.
Okay na yun.
Kapit lang mo
Ito ka items.
Ayaw pa kay morning.
Wait na lang. I crouch.
Isa ba ka nag-mine ko gutom na lang. Crash yung dahil ko, di man ako makitaan.
Ada.
Holy shit. Stop!
Find me, B. If you can find me, I'll give you a box.
Kita kayo name tag.
Natin yung tag. Yung kabati. You cheating. No box.
Paspas gyata kay. I'll run the water.
You can't catch me. You weak.
Napa yung dolphin?
Oh.
Ngayon tatag village. Let's go. Ay bro.
Cha. Kapag ko sugar. Oh.
Mo zoom rin siya kalit ron.
Asa ka?
Ano ang locator ba?
Hindi ko. Wala.
Paspasan ni mo ay! Awa ka sa screen.
Alam ko sugar. I just need sugar.
Oh shit. Wrong press. I was a girl in the village doing...
Hello girl, di ka lang suwaw. Diladlan lagi ka.
Oh, niya kanta ko sa malaki sa mga classroom. Okay.
Ang bait nung ka.
Fuck you. Yes, it's morning. Ano yung silan kay paspas kita? I am
Fake.
already hungry, bro.
Ha,
I need
lol.
sweet berries.
Ako na ako extra hunger.
I need sweet berries.
I need sugar cane. No, I hurting that. No, that boy.
I need it for food. Bro!
Oh. Wait, no. Pangitag ka.
I'm so hungry, bro.
Oh.
Pila imong help?
5. 5 maximum.
Bro, dako yung siyang gigamit warrior.
Inchling.
Di ba nga kuan?
Kuan. Athlete.
Oh, shit. Warrior ang tato, kay gamay kikag health.
Okay na eh. Oh, pwede ko makakuha na niya. Makabuild kog house.
So, many
O
coconut.
land slot.
So, may coconut tree. Asa ka?
Secret. Mangita ako. If you can find me, I'll give you your box.
Oh, I see you.
Uy, I've been bother. Wala ko sa mga trees. Hint.
Colder warmer.
That's cheating. You're cheating!
I need wood. Lava pool na din. Bro, ano wala dyan? Alos village.
Kivo? Ooh,
Bro,
this
we're
is...
gonna die. I promise you we're gonna die.
Di mo ko matay. Pero mo ko. I don't die because I'm pro.
Oh,
Ooh,
shit!
damn.
Gi-chase ko.
Oh, Lance, kayo.
Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, shit things.
Wait, should I?
See
No,
you
we would.
later, Zike.
Help.
Yo, what is that?
Yo, can we bring down wood?
Your
Or
village.
dirt?
Na village sa desert.
Of course.
Yo!
What? Ano?
Yo!
No?
Bro!
Pati ah.
Oh, wait. I don't take full damage. Let's go.
Asa din na?
I don't know.
Oh, I see you.
What the fuck is this structure? Nag-record hindi ka, no?
Nalagay mga dried out. Ano, yung mga dried out. Basta na
Bro, I just wasted my time.
Oh my god, Lance. Basta na server yun, Lance. I'm scared, Lance.
Oh, shit. Wait, nag-record ka yun. Sige, ito pamalikas. What the fuck? Oh.
Ay, lagi pang likas. Para may friend there pa ko. Ano, natuta na yung mga builds eh. Wow.
Grabe yan eh.
Napangawat, Lance.
Wait, yes.
Oh my god, what is this eagle doing? He's hurting me.
Ikaw, asa ka?
Yeah.
Ano nagkuha mo pickaxe?
Lumang ka. You need pickaxe. Oh, nilagay na yan. Wait, no. Oh my god, 5% na ko.